Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today is a Chinese day, so we're going to be making some basic classic fried rice. First things first, pan, medium heat, put in some oil. So now go in onions. Chopped onions. Once the onions have turned pink, that's when you will add the garlic. So slightly brown the garlic, light brown color forming on it. Once that's done, throw in your chopped carrots, all your veggies basic. Chopped beans, chopped celery. Just add in a little bit of more oil. So you could either boil the vegetables and then add them, or you can just fine chop it and add it. I didn't boil them, so much nicer this way. Now I'm going to add basic seasoning to the vegetables, which is my cracked black pepper. Use the heat a little bit, salt and some sugar. To this I will add some vinegar and soy sauce. Once you've mixed all that, now I'm going to take some boiled rice. So the thing is, when you boil the rice for fried rice, you don't have to cook it all the way through. To make sure that when you break the grain of rice, the center bit is still white, because when you toss it, it's going to cook perfectly. If you boil it properly and then you put it in for the fried rice, it's going to overcook. So we don't want that. So my fried rice is done, and now I'm just going to put it in the bowl. Your fried rice is done. So thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe and comment. And see you in another fun episode with another easy recipe. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making a pizza toast but with chicken. I've made a vegetarian recipe. The link is in the description, so do check that out. Let's do this. Heat some oil in a pan. Slightly golden brown. That's the color you want to go for. Now you'll add your shredded chicken. The thing is, you don't have to cook the chicken since it's already boiled, but you just want to toss it with the garlic so it gets that flavor. Heat is on the lowest. Now I'm going to add the pizza sauce. That's it, and this is done. Now what I'm going to do is slice the corners of the bread off, because we don't need that. So don't throw these away. You can use these later for breadcrumbs. So we take sauce with the chicken in it. Try to cover the corners. Sometimes you get pizzas where the corners are just left dry and it's not nice. I'm going to sprinkle my leftover seasoning on this, a little bit, not too much. These already have salt in them. A little bit of white pepper. The best thing on the planet is cheese. Now I'm going to heat the oven to 150, but as soon as the cheese melts is when I take it out. And now we wait patiently for this delicious pizza toast to get in our belly. And this is ready. chop some fresh parsley. And 2 drops of olive oil. And your chicken pizza toast is ready. Guys, make sure you try this easy recipe for a chicken pizza toast. And don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe to Desi Bites. I will see you in another fun episode with another easy recipe. Till then, you take care. See you. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. I am Chef Pranav Kapoor and today I'm going to be making a mango lassi. For this, I have taken some mango pulp. If it's the season for mangoes, then you can use fresh mangoes. If not, then there's always mango pulp, and which is about 180 ml of mango pulp and 250 grams of yogurt and some ice. Let's not forget that. Let's just get started. In goes the yogurt. It's going to make some noise. And looks good. And lassi is ready. Pretty simple, not much to do with this one. If it is the season for mangoes, then you can garnish with some sliced mangoes on top. If you've noticed, I haven't added any sugar because the mango pulp is highly concentrated, so I didn't need any sugar for this. But if you're using fresh mangoes and they aren't sweet enough, do not hesitate to add sugar as per your taste. Ready to serve this. Cheers everyone. Cheers everyone. Do not forget to like, don't forget to comment, and do not forget to subscribe to Desi Bites. I will see you in another episode with another fun and easy recipe. See you guys. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making a yogurt dip. It's a very simple process, so I don't want to waste any more time talking. Let's just get straight to making this yogurt dip. First, open a box of yogurt. Now I'm just going to churn this around so it becomes smooth. So you can pass this through a sieve as well, but if you really want to save time, then just do what I'm doing. This will literally take 3 minutes to make. Now in goes some ginger garlic paste. Now I will put in just a little bit of mustard, so very little. And the seasoning, very important. All of that is going in it. Some chili flakes, so you can add as much as spice that you can handle. And add some more spice to it, some Tabasco. Salt. Some white pepper. Now I'm just going to mix all of this together. Yep, and you can serve this with some chips. Perfect party dip, very easy to make and absolutely delicious. So guys, make sure you try this easy dip at home. It is really simple as you've seen. Don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Desi Bites with me, Chef Pranav. I will see you in another fun episode with another easy recipe. Till then, you take care. Hi guys and welcome to Desi Bites. Today is a really exciting day because I'm going to make my favorite dish in the whole world, which is dim sums. Chicken dim sums first, minced chicken in a bowl, so we use all of it. Chopped onions, spring onion, a little bit of ginger, chopped ginger, very generous amount of garlic, some salt, black pepper, and sugar. So these three are basic ingredients whenever you want to cook Chinese food: sugar, pepper, and salt. Now move on, add a little bit of oil, vinegar, and soy sauce. And just mix all of this. Now what you need is a dim sum basket, a pot of water, and some butter paper cut to size so that it can fit inside the basket. Otherwise your dim sums would stick to it. So you can even use a banana leaf, or if you want you can use butter paper. So you want to make some holes in this for the steam to pass through. So when you put the butter paper, you have to make sure that the shiny side is up and the dull side is at the bottom. So first what you should do is just get your water boiling while you make your dim sums. So these are dim sum sheets that you can buy in the market. It's easier than making your own batter and making your own sheets at home. Make sure you have a bowl of water ready, so that will help you seal the dim sums. Now, so that there's less skin involved. Please don't be stressed out about your shape, it's okay. There's no such rule that it has to be a certain way. You can make whatever shape you want. And then you can just seal the edges with water. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make each one a different shape. Make one like a candy probably. Just clip off the edges. This is going to be like a little sack. And when you have this on top, you just chop off all that extra bit. So this is steaming. I'm just going to add my dim sums inside. Piecing them in one by one, and there you go. I think there is room for probably one more. Okay, team says one more. Check the time on your watch, give it at least 12 minutes. So it's been 17 minutes now and my dim sums are done. So my shortcut to dim sum sauce is buying sriracha. You could probably do that or use Szechuan. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment to Desi Bites. Make sure you try the dim sums at home for all you dim sum lovers, momo lovers. Very easy recipe. Do try it. I will see you in another episode. Till then, take care. See you later. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. I am Chef Pranav Kapoor and today I'm going to be making a stuffed omelette, my version of it. Let's start. In goes some salt, basic seasoning, and a little bit of white pepper. So first I'm going to take some butter and put it in the pan. Let the butter melt. Once my butter is melted, I'm going to throw in onions. Coat them nicely with the butter. Once that has happened, you add in garlic. Chopped garlic, chopped onions. You don't want to brown the garlic, just toss it slightly. Again, chopped mushrooms. After the mushrooms, I'm going to increase the heat a little bit so it cooks a little faster but not too high. So if you're using the induction, add another point. So by now the butter has been absorbed by the onion, garlic and mushrooms. So I'm going to just drizzle just a little bit of olive oil. I'm adding some chopped boiled chicken. Just going to toss it around. I've reduced the heat to 1 point, like really low heat. Just mixing it so that it mixes with the garlic and gets some of that flavor. So remember we put 4 eggs in the bowl. Now I'm just going to whisk them. This mixture that we made, I'm going to put this in my whisked eggs. With my heat on, I've coated the pan with olive oil. I'm just going to pour my mixture in it. And now what you do is add chopped green chilies on top. Now I'm just going to add some cheese on top, grated cheddar, just enough cheese so it kind of neutralizes the chilies that I put in. So guys, another thing is that what you can do is, actually what you should do is basically cover your pan so that with the steam, the top of the egg cooks and the cheese melts evenly without burning the bottom bit. I don't have a lid right now, so I'm going to use a pan just to cover it up. You can put a plate or whatever you have, but it's important to do that. This, just let it on the lowest flame, let it simmer for about 4.5 to 5 minutes, just let it cook. So as usual, I let my omelette rest for about 30 odd seconds. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Please do try it at home. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to Desi Bites. I'm Chef Pranav and I bid you a good day. See you in another fun episode with another fun recipe. Till then, have a great day.